Welcome to a brand new season of Class FitSugar. I'm your host, Jasmine Blocker, and I've got my girls here, Paris and Poofy, to get you through a 10-minute total core workout. This workout is about to be amazing. Let's get to it.
Yeah, let's do this.
Ready.
All right, let's kick things off with a 30-second warm-up. 30 seconds of cat-cows. Arch that back, big inhale. And round that back, big exhale. Give me another few rounds here. Today we have Paris doing the advanced version of all the exercises with me, and we'll have Poofy taking care of those modifications. Just about 5 more seconds here. Really open up that chest. Okay, let's come to a seated position. We're gonna do some shin boxes. Knees up and bring them over to the left and the right. Really open up, big chest, sit tall. Deep breaths, just like my girls are doing. Nice deep breaths because we're getting ready to work.
I love how this feels for the hip flexors, Jasmine.
It is It is the best hip opener. All right, time to get into our work. Let's come into a high plank position.
Get it.
And give me a nice hold, nice and strong, flat back. You got it, ladies. You got 20 more seconds here. Nice, strong core. After this, we're going to be doing some plank toe touches, heading back into a down dog in just 5 seconds. Nice and strong. Okay, let's send those hips back. Opposite hand, opposite toe. Back to a plank position and keep it going. And if you are doing the modification today, please follow Poofy. I promise you will still feel that burn starting your high plank, just going straight to the down dog. Nice deep breaths. Setting those hips all the way back. How are you feeling, ladies?
Feel good. I'm warming up.
Warming up. Yes, you are. Just 5 more seconds here. And then we're gonna bring those knees down, get into those bird dogs. Let's do a tabletop position, starting with the right side. Crunch in, legs and arms out. We're working opposite leg, opposite arm. Make sure that back is nice and flat. All your movements are controlled. Just 10 more seconds here. We're gonna switch sides. Nice deep breaths. Give me one more and switch.
Come on, balance.
I was just thinking that. I was like, please don't lose balance. And if you do, that's totally fine. Just keep it going. Just 10 more seconds here. So next up, we're gonna have a bear crawl plank with shoulder tap. Just give me a few more seconds here. Okay, tabletop, hover those knees off of the ground. Opposite hand, opposite shoulder. Staying as stable as we can. And you can follow my girl Poofy for the modification. She's gonna have her knees on the ground. Nice flat back, strong core. How are you guys feeling?
Good. I think I'm gonna kick it up with you and try a couple of these.
Yes.
Oh, yes. That burn.
Woo. You're gonna feel it in your arms. That's totally correct. Okay, come to that high plank. We're gonna do some plank tuck jumps. Being as explosive as you can. Most explosive move of the day here. You got it. Stay strong, just 10 more seconds.
Woo!
Feel that burn.
I'm feeling it.
I know these are tough. These are actually my least favorite exercise, but man, do they work. We're about to get onto our back for some dead bugs. This is your reward for making it through those plank tucks.
Woo, thank you.
All right, legs up, opposite hand, opposite leg. Poofy's gonna have our modification. She's gonna be in tabletop position. And this is one of my favorite exercises after I hurt my back. It stabilized a ton. 4 more seconds here. And we're going to be going into our side plank on the left side. Hips off the ground, and we're gonna be reaching through. So take that top arm, reach through, up, up, up. And if you're following Poofy, your legs are gonna be on the ground for this one.
Got you, and I'm still feeling it.
I bet. Just 10 more seconds here. Make sure those hips are up, up, up. Give me a couple more. And bring those knees down into a clamshell. Opening wide, keeping that core nice and tight. Good pelvic tilt. You're gonna feel this one in those glutes. It is no fun, but it is so good for you. Just 10 more seconds here. How's it feeling, ladies?
It feels good. I feel it in the cakes right here.
In the cake?
In the cake.
A few more seconds, let's switch sides. Whew. Do those reach throughs on the right side. Hands high in the air. This is an amazing exercise for your obliques. I feel like a lot of people forget about the obliques, but they're so important.
Yeah, I love some nice obliques.
That's snatched waist. That's what we're looking for.
That's what I'm talking about.
Bring those knees down. We're gonna hit those clamshells still in the plank position. And if you're following Poofy, your torso is gonna be on the ground for this one, but all of our glutes are still getting activated.
Oh yeah, baking these cakes.
Yes, girl, this is that no equipment glute work.
The bakery.
The bakery, that is us. Okay, so just a few more here, activating those glutes. And then we're gonna get ready for those bicycle Russian twists. Give me one more, and let's get into it. So similar to a regular Russian twist, except we're getting those legs involved. Opposite leg, opposite arm. Really giving it a good twist. And if you're following Poofy for that modification, your heels are gonna be on the ground in a standard Russian twist. About halfway through. Nice big upper body movements. Still working those obliques. Give me 5 more seconds. Nice. Now we're gonna head onto our backs, feet in tabletop position for supine toe taps. Keeping that 90-degree angle of the legs as you gently lower your feet down and gently tap the ground. Really, really great for the lower abs. Super, super important for hip flexor strength. If you're a runner, you need these. 5 more seconds here. Oh, 1 more second. It's time for some glute bridges, guys.
Oh,
Feet
let's
down.
Go.
Weight in the heels, bring that booty up. Nice pelvic tilt. Make sure that your lower back is flat on the ground before you lift up. Make sure you get a nice squeeze at the top. Very nice, ladies.
This is my favorite.
This is your
Same.
reward for all that hard work. 2 seconds, stay at the top, hold it, and we're just gonna march. Keeping that core super tight, keeping that pelvic tilt, and feeling that booty burn, because it should be burning. You got this. Just 10 more seconds here, and then we're gonna be getting into boxer sit-ups.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yes, back to that ab work. It's time for some ab definition.
Yes.
Okay, booty down. Sit up. 1, 2. And back down. 1, 2. Nice punch. This is where we can let out some aggression, ladies.
Oh yeah.
What are we punching away? Come on, girls.
Imposter syndrome.
Yes. What are you punching, Paris?
Ooh, I'm punching away the self-doubt and the fears.
I love it. You at home, I want you to think about what you're punching away. Focus on that, not the pain. Let's go.
I think these are my favorite.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they're my favorite too, actually. Just 10 more seconds here. And we've got our last exercise. It's gonna be sprinter sit-ups.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Give me one more. Okay, body flat, sprinter sit-ups, opposite arm, opposite leg. Use those arms to bring your body up. If you're following Poofy, you're doing a standard bicycle, still getting that work in. Can you go a little bit faster? Just 15 more seconds.
Come on, team, let's go.
You got this, girls. 7 more seconds here. Let's go, let's go. And 1.
Oh yes.
All right, you guys have totally earned a child's
We
pose.
survived.
Let's hit it. You did survive.
We didn't survive, we thrived.
Yes. Nice child's pose. Come up. Give me a nice glute stretch.
Oh yeah.
Other side. All right, and we can come on up. How do you guys feel?
Absolutely amazing.
And she's so good with the puns, you guys.
Let me tell you that this cake has been baked, okay?
It's like that. Thank you guys so much for joining us for Total Core. And I'll see you guys on the next Class FitSugar. Thanks for joining us.